Yeah, welcome to another episode of this is beach in Exmouth, Devon, UK, or Devon Cliffs. Lovely scenery, nice golden brown sand. The beach is full of pebbles though, not very clean, but people are here in the hundreds. About a mile long. Kids having fun on the beach. When we were kids, actually, we used to do the same thing on the Cranwood Beach. They have sand. We used to have the same ball game back in the 70s, 1970s, on the Cranwood Beach in Black River. We used to have this kind of games. Same nice brown sand, dark brown sand. We used to have the volleyball thing as well back in the days, 1970s in Black River. So people on the beach having fun. Making these videos to show what we can have on the south coast of Jamaica. It is in the south of England, Exmouth, Devon, and we're near the Devon Cliffs. This is 145 miles, actually 160 miles from where I live in Birmingham. So people, I live in the Midlands, West Midlands, Birmingham, UK. So people from all over the UK come to like have fun. On the beaches in the summer. Just taking for a walk out too. We just show the government of Jamaica what they can have on the south coast of Jamaica. So they don't have to rely only on the all-inclusive adults-only hotels with the white sand and the blue water, but actually you can have these family-oriented holidays as well, holiday products as well. We have rides, you know. You have lots of hotels and stuff like that. There's a hotel across the road from the beach. You have lots of you can have things like for kids or for family, rides and games and fun. Last night we went to a show in the center. We call it like the center of the Carbon holiday park, which is a gated community, about 1 mile, about 1.5 miles by 2 miles wide. Thousands of caravans, but that's where I was. That's 3 kilometers away. But here in the town, this is like the near to the town center of Devon. So people, some people here at this location stay at the hotels then, not the caravan site. If you see my video yesterday, that beach I was yesterday, different beach from this one. That beach was near to the caravan site, as you see me walking yesterday from my caravan site to the beach. 5 minutes walk. But this is actually a 10 minutes drive from Carbon Park. So this is kind of the main beach for the town, but the beach yesterday was better than this one. This beach is a bit inferior, in my opinion, to the one yesterday. Again, you have some sign there. Some signage showing you what to swim. Where to swim. Go and see what he's saying. Swim again, danger. Swim. Yeah. Not sure what it's people swimming anyway, so I'm not sure. Actually, there's no swimming here. Actually, that's just location. Okay. Yeah, I think maybe this exact spot. There's about 50 meters wide. No swimming in this area. Not sure why. But then you pass that area and you go down, and then there's swim again. So yeah, I can walk far down, but I'm gonna turn back now because let me just see what sign is saying up there. The sign there that's saying something about Horse Exmouth NCI. I'm not sure what that is. National Coast Watch Exmouth. I think it's that's the tower, I think, up there. And then there's a sign here that says something about no bathing in this zone. Okay. That one is saying something about, yeah, that one is, alright. Okay, so we have kids, families. We're going to visit holiday town. Okay, so I'm gonna turn back now. Yeah. Actually, I remember when I was a kid in Black River, on the Sunday, you actually Black River Beach is like this in the 1970s. In the 1970s, believe it or not, Crable Beach in Black River used to look like this. Maybe not so much kids, but families used to come and swim there. And actually, there's like in August, I think it was Labor Day, in Black River Crable Beach. People used to be there in the hundreds of people would line the beach from, say, let's say the beach club, Swam Beach Club, up to the Crane Corner, which is about 2 miles long. So the full 2 miles with people in Black River in the August holiday and the May, I think, holiday, and that would be like hundreds and hundreds of people used to line the beach. I'm not sure what happened these days. Anyway, but including tourists as well. There's a few tourists there as well. So I would love to see the days when the Crane Beach get back up to its proper capabilities. And I'm all about jobs in a way in Jamaica. I'm all about the whole Jamaican economy improving, having jobs for people in St. Elizabeth. That's what I'm talking about. That's what my real concerns are and cares are, to have jobs for people, the tourism industry spread around Jamaica, not only on the north coast. Because there's no workers in the north coast anyway, you know, to fill those vacancies. Okay, we'll go too much into that at this video because I have other videos where I just those issues. Alright, people, take care. Hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, leave a like, and share this video. Lots of hotels up there. Take care. Peace.